Hello and welcome to our first episode on H2Code. H2Code is a great channel if you're interested in learning how to code with Angular, JavaScript, TypeScript, and many more. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your first Angular page using routes, single page application, components, modules, and many more. Alright then, let's start. Here we have our Angular application, which basically consists of many components, such as the app component, the app.module, which is the main thing Angular runs. There also we have our assets, the environment. For this, it's usually where you use your build for multiple releases, such as environment, production, for development mode, where you might need different files for each place. This is mostly for enterprise solutions. Also we have our app writing module here. We also have our app. So as a first step, we are going to run our Angular app, which is done so using the ngserve command. It just replaces with an ngs, and we also pass a -- open or a -- o to open the browser automatically. Now here I've got the Angular 8.3.26, which isn't really different from the latest Angular 11. From here we have our app component, which serves the router outlet. The router outlet is basically the Angular ngView replacement alternative in AngularJS. Probably I'm gonna have to add some videos later on. So as you can see here, once we've loaded our app, there's nothing fancy, there's nothing, as the page isn't there yet. So we are going to create our first component. So let's just call it ng-generate, use a C or a component just to signate it. So ng-generate component, and we're just going to call it home. This is going to create a folder which is called home under the app folder, which is the home component. So we're just gonna run our app, which is ngs, and since the browser is already open. Now that's created, we're gonna enter the routing module, and we are going to add our route. So this is the route that's already created with your Angular app, and we are just going to add the path, which is home, and we are going to assign component, which is the home control. Now I'm going to use the VS Code, which basically imports the dependencies all on its own, but you're free to use whatever IDE you're comfortable with. Now that's all done, we can just use our application just to navigate to the home and to see what happens. So once we added this home, looks like there's an error. Actually there's not, so that is there, home works. Probably it's because of an old application that I'm using. So let's just delete everything, and this should be appearing over here. So now that's available for us to see, we're just going to add some fake data that we would like to have. So let's just say we've added this is our home component, and we're just going to add another thing. Hooray, this is my first component that I have added using Angular. As you can see here, you could just add whatever layout you would like to have on this page. So it's now available using the base website /home. Now this localhost 4200 is the port for Angular, which is basically Angular uses. However, Angular is free to use whatever port you would like. You just add -- port and the port you would like to define. And this is it. We have just created our first Angular component. This is our home page, and probably I'm going to be adding another videos on how to set up your Angular environment, which requires actually Node.js and Angular CLI. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to link the notification button. Also, do not forget to add your interesting and creative responses in the comment section below. And this is it.